Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to another clean with me. But yeah, welcome back to another clean with me. I'm so excited for this video. I love clean with me's. I love recording them. I love editing clean with me's. It's probably my favorite videos to edit. And yeah, I'm super excited. I love clean with me just because like I just feel so productive when I'm off and I just clean. And the fact that I'm getting a video and creating content at the same time and also just being productive and cleaning, like I just love it. And so yeah, if you're watching this, you're at home, you're off, maybe it can motivate you to get some cleaning done yourself. And yeah, I'm excited. So I did make a list because I wanted this to be a little bit more organized because sometimes they don't really be that organized, but I did make a list of everything that I wanted to do. So I am going to clean, just generally clean, tidy up. When I say tidy up, I mean put things that need to be put up in their spots. So yeah, I'm going to do all that. I probably like get clips of me, like little clips of me doing that. Probably not like long, thorough clips of it because I really want to focus on deep cleaning today. Things that you don't like always do. You don't do every single day, but needs to be done, if that makes sense. So that's what I want. Here's the list, everything that I want to do. So living room, I want to clean the mirror, the huge mirror. I haven't cleaned it in a minute, honestly, so I need to clean the mirror. I want to dust the blinds, and then I want to vacuum out the couch. So take off the cushions and vacuum inside the couch. For the kitchen, I want to clean out the microwave, clean out the fridge. I take everything out, wipe it down really good, and then put everything back. And then I want to maybe clean out the air fryer. I usually let my boyfriend do it because he really like gets in there like really good. For the bathroom, I need to clean the sink really good, clean the shower, the glass, and then clean the mirror. For the bedrooms, just dust on top of the dresser, the TV stands. I need to dust like my perfume tray. Closet, I need to grab all the shoes I have in here because I have like 2-3 pair of shoes I need to put up. And I have clothes to put up, so I'm gonna do that, and then I need to vacuum inside of there. So, but yeah, that's my whole list of everything that I want to do. So I want to see how long this takes me to as well, because I want to be done by like, it's 10:30 right now. I didn't even say what time it is. It's a random Tuesday day, and it is 10:34 in the morning right now, y'all. So I know I didn't say that, but yeah, if I was to choose, I would want to be done by maybe like 3 o'clock. Hopefully, that's what I'm hoping. I'm definitely gonna play me some music, so I'm gonna use my boyfriend's speaker to connect to it. I make it so you never leave.
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you go. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Baby, how we fly away. Always wondering, baby.
All right, let me get back to it, y'all.
Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when I
Be without you, I don't wanna live. When I spend my last time. I'm so sorry for the lighting, y'all. It has been like on and off raining, so I think that's what it is. That's why the lighting's a little off. But this kitchen took so long. I started at 10:30. It is now 12:04. Yeah, it's taking so long, but I am doing more like deep cleaning, so I'm not really like too mad about it. But I'm pretty much done. Yeah, I think now I'm just gonna get to the living room, get that over with. Yeah, let's get to the living room, y'all. Lord have mercy. With the drama. Okay, y'all see these marks on my glass? I am freaking hot. Okay, but update, I am done with the living room. It looks so good. I don't know why I feel like I haven't seen the living room just like clean in a long time, but I've been keeping the living room clean like more frequently than I ever have. But next will be the bedroom. So I will see you on the bedroom. Probably just gonna cool off, eat something real quick, and then I'll meet y'all in the bedroom. So when I say I'm tired. But y'all, it has not rained in so long in Houston. It's freaking crazy. Like, I don't even know how long it was. It was a long time though. Like, I want to say like over a month. Maybe I could be being dramatic, but it was a long time, and that is just crazy. But anyways, in the bedroom now, and it just reminded me, I literally brought nothing in here but a drink in my hand. Like, girl, what is you doing? But it don't matter. I need to make the bed first. So I'll make the bed first, and then I'm gonna dust off the top of the dresses and everything. Let's get to it. Let's make this bed first. So treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you. What can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you. You know you my plug, and I can't shake this tab enough. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing. Every you're missing you. Wishing it was living what it was. I can't. I'm gonna turn the AC on. But I'm done with the bedroom. I didn't even end up doing his nightstand. I'll let him do that, y'all, because I just, the thought of doing that right now, I'm just over it. But this is everything I need to put up. I need to put those clothes up in the closet. Yeah, I'm just, y'all, I was like, you know what, let me just chill, take another break. But it's like, no, I just want to get it done. It's already 2:46. I said I wanted everything to be done by 3. I haven't even started on the restroom. I still got to do the closet. So I'm over it. Like, I'm tired, y'all, but I need to get through this so I can just be done, and tomorrow I can just chill all day. So yeah, we're gonna go to the restroom now, so I'll see y'all in the restroom. Okay, I feel like the AC is like extra loud in the restroom, so I'm so sorry for that. But I need to clean the shower. I want to do that first. That's like the big task in here, so I just want to go ahead and get that done. I just need to figure out how I'm gonna clean it. But I have this Scrub and Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer, and then we have a squeegee. I realized too, maybe we need to get some better cleaning supplies, cause goodness. But I'm gonna go grab whatever else I need to grab, and then I'll be back, y'all. Okay, I got this in case I want to wipe the counter off, or maybe it's at the sink. I'm not sure. Usually when I wipe this at the sink, I use this, and this is like so low because I use this for so much stuff just in here. I got the glass cleaner to clean the mirror in here, and probably use it for the shower too as well. I got one of these soap pads as well. I think I'm gonna just use this just to go all over on the shower glass. I got paper towels whenever I clean the mirrors. I'm gonna just wet this and get the scrubbing, and then if I feel like I need to use this, then I'll grab this. But first I'm gonna move the mat out of the way because I don't want to get this all messy. I know most of the dirt is inside, but just to have it all the way clear, I want to do the outside and inside. I don't remember these being so snug. This or I'm gonna outside. Okay, this is actually dirty. I can see it doing something, moving, y'all. So that's good. I'm getting real good. I'm actually excited to see the difference from the inside. This is already looking more cleaner. Y'all won't be able to see inside, right? Yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside and close it so I don't get a lot on the floor, because I'm gonna have to get in here good. I probably should have grabbed a cup of some water, but I could just turn the shower on if anything. Look at that difference. Okay, I think I'm gonna lay out. I have a big dirty towel here. I'm gonna just lay it on the ground so it can pick up. I should have bended this ash. So I did it real good. I think I'm gonna get a cup of water so I can pour it on the inside and outside, and I can do the squeegee. That's how I'm gonna do it. So for sure I'm gonna wet the inside. I don't know if I'm gonna pour water on the outside. I think I'm gonna just do the squeegee. Maybe like just like go like this and go like that and do the squeegee, because I don't want to get the floor like crazy wet. But I don't know. Maybe I will. I have the towel here. But I don't know. I'm gonna do the inside first. I feel like that's gonna be the big difference. I didn't get the top part. Oh. I don't know, y'all. I don't think it's gonna be super clean. Honestly. Whatever's left, I'm hoping outside. It looks cleaner, but I don't know. I guess we're gonna see. I just wish I had a spray bottle. Should I use this glass cleaner, y'all? I think I am. I mean, it's something, y'all. It looks better than what it do. I don't usually clean this. My boyfriend does. But I just wanted to see if I could do it better or not. It definitely looks better than how it looked before. It looks better than what it did before. That's all I gotta say, y'all. That's all I gotta say. 'Cause I don't know. This is hard. Like, why is it so hard? That's real good. And this thing moves like. Blowing my phone up. Oh my gosh, that looks so. What the? That looks so clean. So I'm going to wipe off the counter and wipe up some little mess I made on the floor over there with this little scrubber thing. And it left like some blue stuff. So I'm gonna go clean that up. Put all these, put everything back where it goes. Put these cleaning supplies up and basically just clean up behind myself the mess I made trying to clean, and I will meet y'all in the closet. So okay, but I'm gonna do my clothes first. Okay, I'm done putting all the clothes up. I need to put this thing of Halloween stuff back up there. And I think I'm gonna just throw it up there because I don't feel like going back in there to grab the step stool because I took it out of here. So yeah, I'm gonna just toss it up there and I just hope it lands all right. So let's see. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby. Okay, now I need to put so I just put up the tote. I threw the Halloween thing up there. It's not like perfect, but I mean, I'll probably get to the point to where it annoys me and I'll fix it, but it's up there. So, and yeah, that's it. The last thing I need to do is vacuum in here. I really don't want to, y'all, keep it a straight buck. But I'm just go ahead and get to it. Or maybe I'm thinking maybe I'll vacuum tomorrow and then I'll just put the clip in here, you know, because I'm tired of cleaning, y'all. Like, I'm tired of cleaning, and I'll just do the after clip tomorrow too as well. Sorry if I can hear the chair, but I'm back in the kitchen now and I am done with everything. I still have to vacuum the closet, but I'm sure I'll just do it. But yeah, that's it. Besides that, the only thing I probably didn't do was clean the air fryer, but I'm gonna leave that for my boyfriend. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all felt motivated, y'all felt inspired to get some cleaning done yourselves. Yeah, I'm just go ahead and close this video out. So, but definitely let me know in the comments, like, how do y'all do y'all's cleaning? Do y'all tackle it all in one day, or do y'all tackle a room at a time? Do y'all just, if y'all see it dirty, y'all just clean it up then and there? How do y'all do it? Let me know in the comments below.